Yes, sir. So what I'm doing here is I'm starting with my oyster. What are these? Forgot what they call them. Fast feeds. I'm starting when I'm practically closed. They closed all the way. Zero gap, pretty much. Maybe not zero gap, just a little bit. But yeah, I just try to repeat everything I do on one side with the other side. Although typically hair doesn't lay or grow the same on both sides, but you know, I pretty much get it. Pretty much 99% close to both sides looking pretty much the same. Not looking for perfection here. We just, you know, getting the job done. So no chemicals, no paints, no colors, no razors. I'm just an old school traditional barber man that specializes in traditional and modern haircuts. Nothing fancy. I'm not gonna spray you up. I'm not gonna beat your hairline up and all that just to get a crisp look. I'm just gonna stay as natural as possible. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember one guy, man, Mike, man.
Yes, sir. So right here, I just put on my 00 Speedo guard, and I'm just continuing to just blend, fade, whatever you want to call it. Just keep pecking with it, using a couple of teeth at a time, using the left side at a time. Not really using the whole clipper. I'm just getting to the spots I'm trying to get to. But yeah, yeah, then I come back. I guess I might be a little open. I think I just open them up right here. And I'm just twerking it out, man. Just back and forth until they get to a point where I'm comfortable. You know what I mean? Kind of like a, I don't know, just blend, just fading it all out, but enjoy it.
I ain't got a lot like you got, so it's simple. It might have been. But it might have been. So you line up them Jones, you move the blade up? I ain't even look at her. I do just what I say I do with them. Balls my out. They got some good weight on those, guys.
I see. I know you let me. So you say your boy gave y'all them Floyd?
Yeah.
Now he ain't trying to get no money for them now since they work.
Down for me.
Yeah, so once again, like I put in, whatever I do on one side, I try to replicate on the other side. It's maybe not every stroke gonna be the same as the other side, because like I say, different hair on both sides of the hair might lay a little differently. But you know, pretty much I do the same thing on both sides. Just continue to twerk it out till I'm satisfied. And you know, that's what it is. So hopefully I did a before and after on this one, and my battery didn't die, so y'all can see the finished product, but we'll see.
Roy Jones. He need to fight them cockfight thing, chicken fight.
Yeah, I know it. You know, he was still going, man. He wanted to go like the last joke.
Knock out. Ding, 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 ding. 215?
you going? Oh, you almost got weak in the knees.
That's a killer, man. That's a pit bull.
There you go. He's going. He's going. What was that? Was it a train? Was it an elevator? Like a teacher, man. He should have threw in the towel in for number one. Shit, he would have fell a long time before the Mike wasn't holding him up. What do you mean going out? Nancy already knew he knocked him out. Look, look. Little head out. Head out. That was struggle, everybody.
6 straight knockout.
Yeah. Oh, man. There you go. On his knee again.
Y'all said I was gonna be fighting one person.
Are you my lawyer?
Y'all said I was supposed to be fighting one person.
When he knocked him out, he go and hug him. And y'all didn't say he attacked him. He had a bunch of guys in him with him.
Playing in Trump Arena, baby.
He can't get no solid shot on this guy. That's what's happening.
They fighting in Trump Plaza.
And then good. Goodbye.
Yeah, so what I'm doing here, man, I'm just pinning him up, getting his hair out the way, and about to start on his nape area, just in the back, brushing it down, getting it good and even so I can see where it just naturally, is unfaded or whatever, coming around his ear, pulling all the hair out, and I'm gonna start with the blade closed down at the bottom. Yeah, no certain height or nothing I go, it's just how I feel. Of course, if I take it up higher, then it just be all the way up high. But right there, I kind of open them up. You see my handle, my lever is all the way down. So they wide open right there. It's pretty simple to do the neck, nape area. Over the temple. We got, your temporal muscle is there and all that. So and once again, I do come with the 00 Speedo guard. And I just keep twerking it out, man, until I'm satisfied with it. Yeah.
Knockout 950,000.
Yes, sir. So right here, I'm just going up a little higher. Just working with the corners of my blade. Got my 00 on. And just working it, man. Just using, you see, I'm just using a couple of teeth. So within them teeth, it don't look like I'm doing much, but it's blending. Just like I guess a